Oat milk, the darling of hip cafes, Instagram health gurus, and people who think cows are mean. But behind the froth lies a glucose bomb with a side of metabolic mayhem. Welcome back to the Vegan Repair Kit, where truth always rises to the top, unlike your oat milk foam. Oat milk isn't milk. It's blended cereal, strained, stabilized and pimped with gums, emulsifiers, and often a suspicious splash of seed oil. And the result? A starchy brew. That hits your blood sugar like a donut in a cup. Even unsweetened oat milk sends blood glucose sky high. Not ideal if you like your pancreas in working order. Add that to the glyphosate residues and sneaky gluten cross-reactivity in oats, and you've got yourself a latte with baggage. Skin issues? Energy crashes? Gut grumbles? Your oat milk might be ghosting your health. Want creamy coffee without the metabolic chaos? Try a dash of double cream, or just drink it black like your humor. Carnivore doesn't mean boring, it means honest. We demonized cow's milk for being unnatural and replaced it with ultra-processed porridge water. If that sounds backwards, congratulations, your brain still works. Don't let your coffee be a Trojan horse. Subscribe to the Vegan Repair Kit, leave a comment if oat milk ever betrayed your blood sugar, and join me at compositionconsultant.com to unfroth your life. Better yet, if you want something you can sit down and enjoy reading over a cup of bone broth and a steak, check out Jonathan's Beef Up Carnivore Bible ebook. It truly is a helpful source of information. You wouldn't believe this either. It's like $12. What are you waiting for? I mean, 170 pages of pure carnivore gospel just fingertips away. Get it now! Next week, Satan, Satan's lunch meat. It's going to be wicked.